Management of the quality. The learning objective. The first one, define the term of the quality. Explain why the quality is important and describe the consequence of the poor quality. Identify the determinants of the quality. Describe the cost associated with the quality. Describe some of the current quality award. Discuss the philosophies of the quality gurus. Describe the total quality management. Give an overview of the problem solving. Give an overview of the process improvement. Describe and use the various quality tools.